Shout out Crazy Custom. Little 50cc pit bike we just picked up the other day. I know it's gonna need a rebuild. I'm gonna show y'all why. Cause she's smoking. I put a new carb right there. There was a problem, but the rings must be tore all to pieces. But we'll give it a kick and see what she do. I'm gonna run for a second, cut off. New carb, air filter, fuel line, gas ain't been flushed. See, everything is clean. Carb gasket, manifold gaskets, intake gaskets, front end, back, new bolts, losing compression. But she runs up for what we picked it up for. We got some fresh set of piston rings, head gasket, maybe a head gasket issue. So we're gonna put new rings, pistons, head gasket. We're gonna have it painted up tonight. We have it on the marketplace tonight. This one and another 70. But stay tuned.